Hello everyone, I am Rashmi here. Today I am going to discuss linear equations class 8 CBSE. Linear equation. The equation of a straight line is the linear equation. It could be in one variable or two variables. Linear equations in one variable. If there is only one variable in the equation, then it is called a linear equation in one variable. The general form is ax plus b equals to c, where a, b, c are real numbers and a not equals to 0. Example, x plus 5 equals to 10, y minus 3 equals to 19. These are called linear equations in one variable because the highest degree of the variable is 1. Linear equation is equation in straight line. Before discussing it, we should have a glimpse on few terms related to it. Algebraic expressions. Any expression involving constant, variable, and some operations like addition, multiplication, etc. is called algebraic expression. A variable is an unknown number and is represented by a letter like x, y, and etc. Any number without any variable is called constant. A number followed by a variable is called coefficient of that variable. Expression in this we will see expression 4x minus 7 equals to 5. 4x, 7 and 5 all are terms. Expression 3x minus 4 equals to 5 where x is a variable and 4 is constant and 3 is coefficient. Equation, a statement which says that that the two expressions are equal is called equation. Linear expression. A linear expression is an expression whose highest power of the variable is 1 only. Example, 2x plus 5, 3y, etc. The expressions like x square plus 1, z square plus 2z plus 3 are not the linear expressions as their highest power of the variable is greater than 1. Some important points related to linear equations. There is an equality sign in the linear equation. That means LHS equals to RHS. When this happens, the values are the solutions of the linear equations. Graph of linear equation in one variable. We can mark the point of linear equation in one variable on the number line. X equal to 2 can be marked on the number line as follows. This is number line, center O, this is x dash, this is 2. This is the way we plot. We can show x equals to 2 on the number line. Solving equations which have linear expressions on one side and numbers on the other side. There are two methods to solve such type of problems. First is balancing method. In this method, we have to add or subtract with the same number on both the sides without disturbing the balance to find the solution. Example is 3x minus 10 equals to 14. Three x minus 10 equals to 14. In this case, we will add plus 10 on both the sides. So in this case, 3x equals to 24, x equals to 8. Transposing method. In this method, we need to transpose or transfer the constants or variables from one side to another until we get the solution. When we transpose the terms, the sign will get changed. Example, find the solution for 2z plus 10 equals to 4. 2z equals to 4. 10 we will transfer to the other side. 2z equals to minus 6, z equals to minus 3. If you have any queries or doubts regarding the concepts, feel free to contact me at either my phone number or email. Thank you, everyone.